Chase. Come on. You're gonna wake up the baby. Come on. Yes, you are. Come on, let's go. Come on. What do you mean no? Chase. Okay, okay. What the fuck? Oh!
What are you doing in there? Oh, I just died there. It's absolute dog shit. That is so... That is so about the massage. That is so... That is so about the massage. That is so... That is so about the...
Hey, remember how you wanted the kitten?
Yep.
I went to the pet store today.
No way.
Yep, I did. Well, come on, let's go.
Well,
I want to see
hang
her.
on, keep your collar on.
Huh?
You wanted a girl?
Yeah.
A tabby?
Yeah, that's right. Oh, I can't believe you got me a cat. Where is she? Is she out here?
Wait. You didn't let me finish.
Okay.
So I went into the pet store and I looked at the snakes.
Snakes? Oh, bleh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just go over.
Well, I didn't get one. No.
Okay.
No. Then I went and I took a look around, right? I looked at the guinea pigs. You know what guinea pigs are, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I looked at the mice,
Yep.
gerbils,
Yep.
parrots,
Yep.
newts,
Yep.
hamsters,
Yep.
kittens,
Yep. Oh, that's it. That's where you stop because that's what you're gonna get me.
then the hermit
me-
crabs.
Oh, come on.
Okay, you calm down now?
Gotten me a kitten or I'm gonna chew this couch's arms right off. I will.
Oh, you will, huh?
Now tell me what's
Well,
going
I
on.
went to the pet store,
Yep.
saw the turtles.
And oh, come on. What was that?
Well, let me tell you.
Huh?
You listening?
Yeah.
Went to the pet store.
Yes.
There were shelter kittens, so I picked one up.
Oh, no way! You got me a cat! What does she look like? What does she look like?
You want to go see her?
Yes, yeah. Let's go. Oh.
Hello, good morning. Hello.
Morning.
Hello. Chill out. Chiquillo, chiquillo.
Se livrou das inflexões.
Eu tava torcendo pra isso.
Meio.